Hello, this is Paul with ScanPower. If you sell on Amazon, you know that there are significant challenges to keeping your account healthy and making sure that the products you send are both profitable and within the guidelines of what Amazon will accept for your account. And as fulfillment by Amazon has become more evolved and the number of requirements has increased, it's always a challenge to reduce your risk as a seller, the risk of suspension, the risk of account violations because you're sending the wrong products or restricted products, as well as keeping a handle on all the Amazon fees. And so ScanPower has developed a few features that make this whole process of reducing risk and keeping profitable inventory in stock with fulfillment by Amazon or FBA much easier. And I'm going to show you these features fairly quickly. The first one is what we call our automatic restricted check. So using your Seller Central account, actually a sub account that you create for ScanPower, we can check whether the item is restricted, whether you're restricted from selling it as soon as you scan it in, as well as give you a great picture of the landscape on Amazon in the marketplace, who's selling it, how many are selling FBA, how many are selling merchant fulfilled, is Amazon selling it, what's the rank, all the critical information that you need to run your business. So first we'll start with the restricted check. Just paste in an ASIN here. The first thing that pops up is our Seller Central login information, and this allows us to go through Seller Central on your behalf and check whether the item is restricted. So the same information that you would get if you were trying to list it within Seller Central is available right here in ScanPower. So as it turns out, the Super Mario's Deluxe game is not restricted, and we see that Amazon isn't selling it, the number of offers, what its FBA size rating is, as well as all of the new, used, collectible, and FBA offers, and what the net payout would be at these prices. So let's say that you're going to sell it consistent with the buy box, and your cost is $25. We'll show you that your net payout is going to be $98.26. And what we've done here is subtract all fees, commission, and include a 1-month storage fee, which is the same information that you would get using the Amazon FBA calculator. So that's the restricted check. This restricted check works in the same way when you're listing the product to add it to a shipment that's inbound to FBA. So if I put the same ASIN in, a similar box will pop, allowing us to set the quantity of the item, purchase price, cost, ceiling, floor, source, purchase date, information that you might want to track about your inventory. But again, we're doing the restricted check for you automatically. Your lister will not try to list something that is restricted because it'll show in red here if it's restricted. So that's a really neat feature. It's very easy to set up. The second thing I'd like to show you is we have an evaluate product that lets you evaluate lists of UPCs, ISBNs, ASINs in bulk. But this evaluate product is also integrated with our list shipment creation flow. So what you have is a group of rules that make it easy to pre-qualify products either by accepting them or rejecting them on various criteria. For example, we can accept or reject an item if there's an Amazon offer. We can accept items when there's no FBA offers. And in the list flow, anything that's accept will just pass and you'll see the item, the price dialog and the ability to add it to a shipment. But the reject ones will stop the lister from actually placing the item in the shipment. So here we're gonna keep the two rules: reject when there's an Amazon offer, and reject items when the sales rank is greater than 500,000. We're going to save these and then go back to the listing program, and under list settings, near the bottom we have evaluate rules. So we have test selected here. That was the rule group that we used, and we will go ahead and save. And go back to the list program. So currently we have one shipment open. So we'll take our example ASIN and go to list it again. And the rank is 1,000 and Amazon's not selling it, so clearly it's not going to reject the item. Take another example here, which is a book. We'll attempt to list it. And you can see that using the rules that we selected, the item is rejected because there's an Amazon offer. Now again, if it passes our accept reject rules, and those are fairly complex, you can stack the rules, you can include category related restrictions, sales rank, you can base the accept reject on a net payout amount. So we can reject items that don't have a high enough profit and sell those on a different channel. But again, if the item passes the evaluate or accept reject rules, we'll then check to see whether it's restricted, and your risk is almost zero for sending this product in. And it's very easy to train your workers to do the listing and the prepping and the packing for you. So that's just a quick preview of ScanPower's accept reject rules in the list, inbound shipment flow, as well as our automatically restricted check. So thanks for watching.